Everybody, I'm Ed.
And I'm Barb.
And we're the Streeters.
Welcome to the ARTyRV channel. Today we're going to solve a problem about cutting a corner out of a piece of glass. Now we all know how we can cut this little piece out, but how do you cut that out and save the bigger piece? That's hard.
It really is, Barb. Well, it really is, and it's a dilemma that many other stained glass artists have.
Okay, so this is what I did. I hate to ruin this piece of orange glass, but what I did is I went here and stopped right there.
Okay.
And then I went here and I stopped right there.
So now you've stopped both of your scores right directly into each other as if like it should be.
I thought.
So let's see how this works.
That was a pretty bad cut.
You know, Barb, that happens to everyone.
Okay.
When they try that method.
Okay, so now I see you have this drawn differently. You have it like a curve on
I
it.
have just a small curve, inside curve on that corner. And we're gonna see how this method works, because what's happening now is that instead of going straight in like that, we're actually rolling the glass cutter, just driving our glass cutter right around that curve. And let's see if this changes anything. Now, remember, we're not gonna have a perfect, right angle, 90 degree right in this corner, but our grinder does a lot of stuff. So this is what we're gonna try and do. And we're gonna show the people at home, Barb, that this may be their solution, just a tiny inside curve. So we're gonna roll this around and we're gonna, remember when you're scoring glass, friends, don't lift up your cutter and continue to drive your cutter around that edge. So we're gonna take a little pair of running pliers, and we're just gonna run. You hear that little pop. Now that score ran to that run is right here. I can see it. Now let me see if I can get this one to go. It started. I'm gonna cover it up with my thumb just so I can I got it broke real easy. Now we're just gonna tap it.
So now you would just take this to the grinder and clean it up?
And clean it up, yeah. So that's one method of taking that inside. It's not a really hard 90 degree right angle, but it is. I think we need to do another method, Barb, and show them another way of doing this. And I think, again, I don't think there is any easy way of doing this corner, do you?
I don't even know. That's the first time I've ever seen that done like that.
Okay.
I usually see people drill a hole there.
Well, that's our next technique that we're going to show our friends out here in ARTyRV land. We're going to show you the next technique. Drill us a beautiful hole, will you? There you go. So there's our hole, 1/8 of an inch. And we have to get our 90 degree out, so we're gonna go.
Oh, that's what I did.
Okay. And I can come at it from this way, it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm just gonna take it to the hole. That's it. See it? And you see the score or the run? Here we go, one more time. And it comes right out. We'll take our grousing pliers and we can pull up. Okay? And we'll clean that up. Just like that. And then the rest of it we'll clean up with our grinder. And Barb and I have been doing this technique for a very long time.
Barbara hasn't.
But we wanted to...
Barbara's learning.